Welcome to GooeyTrade and the GooeyTrade trading platform video series. In this video, we will look at Watchlists on the GooeyTrade mobile platform. When you first open GooeyTrade mobile, you will see a watch list. Initially, this will be the default watch list showing popular trading symbols. If you are in a different section of the platform, you may simply click on Watch List to return to this screen. Each symbol on a watch list shows the symbol name, the percentage change on the day, positive or negative, the current bid and ask prices, and the spread. Tapping on any symbol will reveal that symbol's chart, information, one-click trading, and the option to trade, and we will cover all of these in other videos. You may return to the watch list by clicking here. Tapping on the Expand button reveals a smoothed out line area chart showing the current day's price action. Tap again to shrink the symbols. To change watch lists, simply tap here and all your current ones will be displayed. Open one and you will see, besides the Expand button, a pencil editing icon. Here you may change the order of the pairs or delete one or more. Tapping the plus icon allows you to add a symbol. Returning to the watch list, there is another plus sign, and you may add symbols here as well. Returning to the main watch list page, the current watch list is indicated by a green dot. You may change the order of these as well. Tapping Add Watch List will allow you to do just that. Rename it. Tap on the plus to add symbols, and tap Close. On any watch list, tap and hold and a menu will pop up. You may rename a watch list, edit a watch list, duplicate a watch list, or delete a watch list. Returning to GooeyTrade Web, you will see that all the work done on your mobile platform has been mirrored here. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on GooeyTrade.